Hello everyone, in this video I will be show you how you can put a video on top of another video using CapCut PC. So select your video and I just going to right click and copy it. So just I think I have to remove the background. Just click cut out and auto cut out here. So just move the clip, and you can also select your another video and put to the top, and then do as before, and then move the clip. So here you go. It's very simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have done that already. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer. So if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.